Ant infestation after home renovation is super common, but you can totally stop those little guys from taking over your fresh space if you know what to do. So, first off, after you finish your renovation, you gotta check every nook and cranny where ants could sneak in. Like, seal up any new cracks or holes with caulk or weather stripping because ants use those tiny gaps as highways into your home. Then, get some good insecticide spray or bait specifically for ants and apply it around doors, windows, and baseboards where they're most likely to enter. Remember to keep your kitchen super clean. No crumbs or sticky spots, because ants are just waiting for a free snack. Also, try to deal with any moisture issues like leaky pipes or damp areas, since ants love water sources. If you spot ant trails, wipe them away with soapy water to erase their scent lines. You can even sprinkle some natural deterrents like cinnamon or vinegar near entry points for an extra layer of defense. And don't forget to check outside too. Trim plants and clear away wood piles since those spots are prime ant hangouts. One of the biggest screw-ups people make dealing with ant infestations after renovations is ignoring sealing new openings. If you leave cracks or gaps unsealed, ants will keep marching right in no matter what sprays you use. Fix that by thoroughly inspecting and sealing all openings with a good quality sealant. Another common mistake is using insecticides incorrectly, like spraying inside walls or using cheap products that don't work on the species invading your home. Always choose an ant-specific insecticide and follow the instructions carefully for the best results. Lastly, people often forget that cleanliness is key. Leaving food out or messy counters invites ants back instantly. Stay on top of cleaning and remove any food sources to keep your home less attractive to ants. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for any kind of renovation or pest control work. It also helps contractors connect with people who really need their services, making the whole process easier and way more reliable for everyone involved.